Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Now I will show you how to use the transmitter. This is the antenna. When you use it, please make sure you need to install it. Otherwise, the signal will not be that good. But it's fine if you just test it. For this one, use this to power on. And you can see the signal and the frequency, the battery, and the volume for microphone and for line. That means the audio. And also it has the lock function. Let me show you how to operate. If you want to change anything, you need to short press the menu. You will see the mic is flashing, and then you can use the plus or minus to change the volume. And when you press again, you can see the audio voice can be changed. And then short press, you can see the megahertz is flashing. It means you can change the frequency. Okay. And if you want to lock it, press this key, the minus, and it will be locked. And press again to unlock. And also, if you want to change the audio type, it supports the stereo and mono. When two speakers with FM shows on the screen, it means stereo. There is nothing, it means mono. And it's quite easy to operate. And please keep in this frequency. I use the microphone. I need to test it. Please see it's 103.8. I will have an FM receiver. Turn it to the same frequency. Okay, I adjusted it before. And at this moment, you can see, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yes, that works. As you can see, it's quite easy. You just make sure they are in the same frequency. That will work. If you don't want people to hear, you can have the receiver with the earpiece. And that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. And welcome to visit our website, retekess.com. Thank you so much.